I actually chose Barotz Dental 22 years ago. I've been coming here for 22 years. At first I just needed to find a dentist, but having been a patient here for 22 years, I just wouldn't go anywhere. I wouldn't go anywhere else. As a matter of fact, I live 100 miles away from here. I've since moved since that 22 years ago, and for me, it's worth the drive to get the best dental care. Well, the atmosphere here, Dr. Barotz always has an excellent staff, and I began my experience here with a fear of dentistry. I mean, it's just something you have from childhood when dentist practices weren't what they are today. Develop that fear, and the atmosphere here is such that I know I'm not going to suffer any pain, and that makes sense. I just don't have the anxiety anymore. When I first came here years ago, I had neglected my teeth and oral health generally, so I had some work to be done, and we accomplished that and beyond my expectations. And since that time, 20-some years ago, I've had very few problems, and obviously, if you're maintaining your dental health regularly, you don't have those problems anymore. So it's a nice relief not to have that anxiety about that. The main thing for me is I know I'm getting the state-of-the-art dental care, and it just alleviates a lot of problems. Just your overall health is just better, and I think that's what I take away mostly from it. I live 100 miles away from here, and I come here for my regular dental appointments and any work that I need to have done, which is very little these days. But I wouldn't go anyplace else. I would highly recommend it. The only place I've been in over 20 years, and I just have no inkling to go anyplace else because I've had such a good experience here.